Hi friends, this is Nived. So in this video, we are going to do a interesting use case using Robocorp inventory management process. So before starting this tutorial, I would like to thank Sharath Raju for developing this RPA use case. So these are the things that we are going to learn after doing this tutorial. So first you will learn how to deal with file system in Robocorp. Second, you will learn how to do a PDF automation using Robocorp. Third, you will learn how to do the string operations using Robocorp. So now let's see what the bot has to do in this automation process. So, so first the bot has to go to this inventory management website. And after going to this inventory management website, it first has to click on this delete all button to delete all the record or delete the existing record that is present in the website. So after deleting the existing record, next it has to insert some records into this website. And for our RP use case, we have been provided with some files which are being organized into these three different folders. First is delete folder, insert folder and update folder. And for inserting the data into that inventory management website, we have to utilize the files which are coming under the insert folder. So let's look into that. So if you open the insert folder, you can find some files in it. And if you open each of these files, you can see there are some details being provided like product name, seller and price. So what we have to do is for each files that are coming under the insert folder, we have to extract these product name, seller and price, and then we have to insert these details into this input field, and then we have to click on the create button to create a record. For example, if we extract the details from this PDF file, the product name, seller and price, and we input it here. Let me just do it here. So laptop, salary is ABC, price is let's say 50,000. Okay. Now let me click on create. And by this process, it will create a record. Okay. And in the same way, we have to do for all the files that are coming under insert folder, the insert operation. And after doing the insert operation, next is we have to update some of the existing records in the inventory management portal, that is updating the price of the existing records. So for that we can utilize the files that are coming under the insert folder. The files that are coming under the update folder. So if you open the update folder, there may be some files, and if you open these update folder, these files, you can see the same details will be provided. So what you have to do is you have to match the record based on the product name and seller name, and then you have to update the price. So in this case, if you see, the product name is laptop and seller is ABC. And now what you have to do is you have to match the record which will match the product name and seller as per the file. And then you have to click on the edit button. So after clicking on the edit button, next is you have to update the price of the record which is given as per in this update file. So here the price is 60,000. You just update the 50,000, 60,000 instead of 50,000, and then click on update. And now you can see that the record will automatically get updated. And after this process, you have to repeat for all the files that are coming under the update folder. And after doing the update operation, you have to do delete operation. So delete operation, you have to delete the record based on the details that have been provided under the files which are coming under the delete folder. So if you open the delete folder, you can find some files, and if you open any of the file, what you have to do is the bot has to extract these details and match the record which actually have the product name, seller and price. Then you have to click the delete button to delete that record. Okay. So for example, if you want to delete this record, you can just click on this delete button to delete the record. And after doing this insert, update and delete, what you have to do is you have to take a screenshot of the existing records that in this inventory management website. So for that you have to click on this read button, and then you can get the list of all the available records in this inventory management website, and then take a screenshot and save it in a PNG file format. And this process is what you have to do in this automation process. Hope you understand this process. So now let's see a demo of this inventory management process which I had developed in Robocorp. So this is the uh, workflow which I had developed in the Robocorp lab, and let's just run it to see how this process actually works. Let me just click on uh, let me just restart the cell first, and yeah. Now let me click on restart cell. Before that, close this file selecting here, and let me just restart. Yeah, yeah. You can see that our part is opening the, yeah. You can see that it is actually taking the data from the insert folder and inserting the records. Now you can see it will update the details and update it, and then it will delete the required data. And finally, it will take a screenshot of the existing records in the website that you can see here. Actually, this process is actually very fast. That's why you can't see the operation very clearly. If you provide some delay between your automation process, you can see what actually is happening. Okay. So this is what you have to do in this tutorial. So let's start building our bot step by step.